Yo, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy DavidBWylin, and I'm back again with another reaction. We got DoRoad, Sound the Alarm, Freestyle. We're finna get right into this, see what it's about. And make sure y'all run the likes up, sub, new, turn on post notifications, man, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's hop right into this one.
Shoot. Shoot that. Shoot. Shoot that. Okay, Kino, I see you.
Power up.
Sound alarm, go with firing. They're firearm. I see you. Shoot that.
Knocking. Sheesh.
Okay, Kino, I see you.
Power up.
Sound alarm, go with firing. They're firearms and we're sliding. Step round there, shoot lightning. Step round there and it's frightening. Both flips 2 in the Q to a 2 in the Q, turn that shit to a coupe. Bro, I hit 2 in the coupe, my first boot in, yeah, I shoot. Nigga, I shoot, shit to a coupe. Lightning. Step round there and it's frightening. Both flips 2 in the Q to a 2 in the Q, turn that shit to a coupe. Bro, I hit 2 in the coupe, my first boot in, yeah, I shoot. Nigga, I shoot, I'm a real street nigga, doing street shit. I got huntings, I ain't beat yet. You know how it is when you get that feeling. I'm in Vallejo with Killian Jams, ain't nothing.
I ain't gonna let that slide by. What was all that extra sound effects he was doing? I shoot, like
2 in the coupe, turn that shit to a coupe. Bro, I hit 2 in the coupe, my first boot in, yeah, I shoot. Nigga, I shoot, I'm a real street nigga, doing street shit. I got huntings, I ain't beat yet. You know how it is when you get that feeling. I'm in Vallejo with Killian Jams, ain't nothing ain't changed, me custom crippin'. Nothing ain't changed, cause custom whippin', and we ain't forgot mine, man. Still Killian Jams, ain't nothing ain't changed, me custom crippin'. Nothing ain't changed, cause custom whippin', and we ain't forgot mine, man. Still gonna pitch it. I'm still with my day ones clean hearted youth, ain't nowhere on earth, I forget about shag. Recipes, my itch, live in the flesh shop, mine with the fours, and nowhere.
Oh, that's what's up. RP to bro.
Whipping, and we ain't forgot mine, man. I'm still gonna pitch it. I'm still with my day ones clean hearted youth, ain't nowhere on earth, I forget about shag. Recipes, my itch, live in the flesh shop, mine with the fours, and nowhere. My man's a cat for the punny, got shot in the car park, catfish got his head. Bow, bow. You know how it is in the streets. 4 post full, 4 up for 4. Beat with a fight like Tyson, but I got a hammer on me, I fight like 4. Bow, bow. 4 up for 4. Beat with a fight like Tyson, but I got a hammer on me, I fight like 4. Bow, bow. Look what you caused. I know the man there ain't ready for war. 2-2 step, yo, come and just talk. Come and just talk. Come and just walk. See my man just talk. See my man just leave him in chalk. Said that already. I've been moving skangy. Clip my man in his belly. I wet my man and he never had his wellies. Shit had his wellies. Clip my man in his belly. I wet my man and he never had his wellies. Shit had his wellies. I wet my man and he never had his chunks. Fucking punch. I ain't putting no money in your head. I'll spend that money on wax. I'll come for you personally. I dare fuck boys think about jerking me. Bring it to your doorstep. Money in your head. I wet my man and he never had his chunks. Fucking punch. I ain't putting no money in your head. I'll spend that money on wax. I'll come for you personally. I dare fuck boys think about jerking me. Bring it to your doorstep, nigga. That's perjury. 24th for the 10th, my birthday. Happy birthday today. I'm birthday. I ain't putting no money in your head. I'll spend that money on wax. I'll come for you personally. I dare fuck boys think about jerking me. Bring it to your doorstep, nigga. That's perjury. 24th for the 10th, my birthday. Happy birthday today. I'm birthday. Reach to the chain of my shirt. I'll put you in the dirt. I'll do you dirty shit. Sound alarm, cause we're firing. They're firearms and we're sliding. Step round there, shoot lightning. Step round there and it's frightening. Both flips 2 in the Q to a 2 in the Q, turn that shit to a coupe. Bro, I hit 2 in the coupe, my first boot in, yeah, I shoot. Nigga, I shoot, I'm a real street nigga, doing street shit. I got huntings, I ain't beat yet. Yeah, I shoot. Nigga, I shoot, I'm a real street nigga, doing street shit. I got huntings, I ain't beat yet. You know how it is when you get that feeling. I'm in Vallejo with Killian Jams, ain't nothing ain't changed, me custom crippin'. Nothing ain't changed, cause custom whippin', and we ain't forgot mine, man. I'm still gonna pitch him.
This was hard. This was hard, bro. I'm not disappointed. Like, I didn't even know that this dropped because he dropped it on his own channel, but it popped up recommended for me, so I was like, oh shit. But I'm subbed to his channel now, of course, so I'm gonna definitely be on the lookout for the next drop, bro, because this is something that could, I'm pretty sure this slipped under a lot of people's radar, bro. Because I don't know, man, like promotion wise for a lot of artists in the UK, bro, I could just say in general, but I react to a lot of UK music, but I could say promotion wise, a lot of the times they be getting fucked over with the promotion, bro. Of course, a lot of these rappers could pull views on their own, but when people don't know that you dropping on your own channel, it's hard for you to gain the full like views that you should be getting. Because DoRoad, he could pull views on his own, his name hold weight, but if he's not promoted right, he's missing out on opportunities for this to be bigger than what it is. Because me, like I said, I didn't even know he dropped. Luckily, the algorithm pushed it because I listened to a lot of UK music, so it pushed it for me to see it, and then boom. That's not gonna work for everybody, bro. He going under the radar. It's simple because he posted on his own channel. That don't really, his channel, I don't know how many subs he got on it, but that could play a factor too. Like, he has a small channel. He haven't gained that big fan base off of there, but it's good to drop on your own channel because you keep everything, bro. The views are organic. The money come into you, like, you know, it's cool, whatever, but the promotion behind it is what's gonna mess it up. Like, if he would have posted on a platform like GRM Daily, would have been over 100,000 views easily, bro. 200,000, 300, like, because of that. But because he posted on his own channel and the promotion ain't, I don't know, because like I said, I didn't see it until it got recommended to me through YouTube, so that's just gonna be like a downfall in that, bro. But DoRoad code, bro, I'm sure it's best for him to drop on his channel, his own channel, and just gain like the traction based off of that way. But promotion wise, this could be way bigger. Like, the views could be higher than what it is. I think it's only at like 50-something thousand views. Like, definitely could see way more views than that, man. But that's just my personal opinion on that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this track in the comment section below. Make sure to leave a like, sub for new time post notifications. You can follow me on IG and Twitter. Links in the description. Hit me up over there. We're going crazy road at 100K, closing on 50. Let's keep running it up, man. This your boy DavidBWylin, and I'm out, bro.